Hello and welcome to Four Seasons Hong Kong. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my renovated Superior Harbour View Suite, room 2721 on the 27th floor of this long-standing Hong Kong hotel. So there's one of these suites on each level of the skyscraper. As you go in, you've got your guest WC to the left, and then immediately go into the living area. You have pretty much floor to ceiling windows here and throughout, I think, the majority or maybe even all of the rooms in this hotel. Here is your curios, some books, little antique things, all of that huge TV, lightning fast Wi-Fi, little speaker over there, and the view. I'm going to give you a proper look at it shortly. So moving over here, you have a little cocktail counter. These drinks, an Argo highball is at cost, and it is custom made by the cocktail bar downstairs, which is regarded as one of the best in Asia. You have more minibar amenities down there, and here your coffee and tea facilities. All of this custom-made crockery by a local artist. Let's have a quick look in the minibar just to see what you get. Okay, it's missing a can of Diet Coke and a San Pellegrino sparkling water because I just drank them. Okay, and here's the bedroom. A little bit crumpled because I was just having a lie down. I'm going to give you a proper look at the view. You've got this little settee. I'm working away. Then moving on. Really messy. Let's not look too closely, but ample storage space here. Your safe and more storage is in there. There I am in the distance. Going into the bathroom. All of the toiletries are by the brand, if you can just take a look there, Frederick Malle, I don't know how to say it. You have a nice deep tub there. They have Japanese style Todo toilets, let's see, there we go, which are great, and a very deep, generously sized shower, plenty of room, great water pressure. Okay, and let's finish off just with a look at the view, which is phenomenal. You really get such an extensive view of Hong Kong City and beyond across Victoria Harbour. We're looking across at the new M+ Gallery and the Royal Palace Museum, alongside other landmarks over there, and you get a partial sunset view here as well. So there's just one of these suites in each level, as I said. Very, very spacious. I think it's about 68 square meters, if I remember correctly. Really good for entertaining. Suite guests also get access to an executive club lounge, which I think is on the 45th floor, and again has even better views and lots of complimentary treats. So there you have it.